and Thursday. We're gonna have only English material here on the YouTube channel. So if you have any Spanish question, you can go ahead and also type it on the chat here. Yeah, just English on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I wanted to give you just a heads up of the market opening, since we have a lot of things going on, and apparently very important highs, very important lows. So we're gonna go through that. I wanted to also share with you the link that I promised to give you with the information in English for you. Okay, hello. So we do have a very specific educational platform, but I have the all the videos divided by language. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm going to share with you. So you have basically the main videos that you need to study from to get into price action introduction. So let me go ahead and share that with you. Okay, so you're gonna see here a link. It's called Go to Stage. That link, like I said, you're gonna find below. The last videos are only in English, only English for all of you. Okay, so the main ones you have Spanish, because it's the main audience that we have, and then Portuguese, and then of course English. So with those videos, let me go through a little bit so you know which ones to pick. So you're gonna have the first one, how to do a scalping in the currency markets. Bear in mind that those videos are like 2 years, 3 years old. So yeah, you're gonna have to probably update with the charts as today, since when I record these videos, like I said, are pretty old. Use the charts from that moment. Okay, so that's the only thing you had to consider. Okay, then you're gonna have the second video, intraday trader, scalper, and long-term trader advantages, introduction to price action and hedging, stop loss versus hedging, psychological techniques to win in the online trading. You have market areas projections for the end of the year. That was 3 years ago. Then you go to load more. You're gonna find pivot point indicator, learn price action with pivots, how to plan an efficient market trading with indicators, daily strategy with pivots. There's like over 20 videos. Some of them it could be mixed with Spanish speaking, but don't worry about it. Skip those and go only with your English ones. Okay. Some of them, the title might be in Spanish, but then the content is translated. So you're gonna have Spanish and also English. Okay, so that's, like I said, that's the best I can do to provide you the basics of price action. And with this link, you can have organized material with your language. Okay, let's go to the opening now. We have euro dollar as today. It opened it kind of mixed. I'm gonna say that we're gonna go ahead and wait for possible sellers below 121.40, 121.30. So probably we're gonna have a sell day for the euro dollar finally. Again, I can't really tell what price am I gonna enter, but yet I'm gonna wait for the market to be at least below 21.30 for the euro dollar pair. With the pound dollar, we are heading towards possible sellers too. But on this particular one, we have the market holding, so I don't see any possibility to sell yet. Most likely it's gonna go down and then bounce back up. So probably we're gonna have a buy strategy today for the pound dollar. Yes, I don't know what prices again, because we trade only at the opening market. But yet I see that we have, plenty of possibilities to buy. Not yet, not here, like I said, but I wouldn't go for the sell strategy on the pound dollar. We got dollar yen. It opened it for buyers. We're waiting for the buyers. I'm gonna buy above the 105.30 up to 105.40, 105.50. Yes, Buyer's strategy for dollar yen, totally. Dollar Canadian, we got also buyers above 1.26. We're gonna wait for the buyers around the 1.20, 1.2630. Waiting for the buyers, yes. So buy strategy for dollar Canadian as today. Gold and silver buy strategy too. The market is buying and holding. So we're waiting for the 1818 target for gold. And with silver, we're going for the 28. About 28, we keep buying up to 28.16, 28.30. So buy strategy for gold and silver as now, yes. Again, we have to wait for more information at the opening of the US market. It's always recommended that you wait for major markets to open, and that's going to lead you to the right strategy. Okay. So, but again, I can totally see how that's going to be at this point. Not exactly the prices, but how I'm gonna manage the opening. And then we have the dollar Swiss franc is at 0.90 at this moment. Very important highs. Probably sell strategy for dollar Swiss franc. Yes, probably. I can't really tell. Finally, bitcoins. For those who trade bitcoins, well, the market is still into a correction. It dropped down to 45,000. Is pushing up at this moment. It's not a buy day. The only buy level that I see on Bitcoin as today, it could be probably above the 50,000. About 50,000, then that could be an entry level for you if you are into Bitcoin. If not, do not buy below 50,000. It's gonna probably keep correcting down to 42,000, 44,000, and maybe even more. Okay, so again, if not above 50,000, you don't buy. You wait for more correction, more sellers, so you can buy into a better price, into a better level situation. Okay, so remember that the Bitcoin is coming from almost the 58,000, and then Ethereum, which is also pretty nice volume crypto. Also sell day. It's not a buy day today. It is not to buy at this point. The only buy level I see, it could be above the 1600. Above 1600 could be a entry level. If not 1600, you don't want to buy today on Ethereum. It might keep going down to 1300, 1200, and maybe more. Okay, so I just gave you the entry prices. If not those entry prices, like I said, you have to wait for more correction, and that means more buyers getting out of the currency of the crypto. So keeps correcting, so you have a better entry level, a better entry price. That's very important for you to understand when the market is into the buyers, when the market is into the sellers, and if you do have buyers on that specific trading session, what exactly level you want to go for. Because there's many buy prices and many sell prices. Not all of them are as good. Okay, so that's very nice information that price action is giving you. Okay, when you trade on intraday basis. Okay, so I see the euro dollar is approaching possible sellers. I'm not entering yet. Pound dollar is really the market holding trades. That's it. Dollar yen is approaching buy levels. Dollar Canadian, not yet. And gold and silver, I had to see what prices am I gonna go for, but again, buy strategy only for gold and silver. Okay, so okay guys, that's all I have for today. A quick introduction. So again, we're pretty new with this content on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'm just gonna go with what I see that you guys are looking for, what you guys need, and most people is really into how to trade the opening market. So if you trade the opening markets, all you need is to know when the market is gonna open for buyers, when the market is gonna open for sellers, and how to deal with the price action. Especially if you're new on price action. Okay, so. Yes, Cario Giudici, she's in charge of English support, so you can contact her at info@watchmytrain.com. And she's also into our social media, so you can also contact her through that. And again, that link that I shared with you is very important. I'm gonna paste it again here so you have it handy. And that email, that link, I'm sorry, is again, it's pretty organized in terms of content, you know, because I see people very confused when they go to our channel. They don't know how to study correctly the content, what, you know, what videos to start and what videos are more basic, what videos are more advanced. So I think that link is going to help you out with that information. Okay guys, that's all I got for today, and we're gonna be trading within the next 20 minutes. Yeah, let me see. I'm gonna wait some more. I'm gonna wait some more for to sell the euro. Not yet. I'm gonna let go a few more sellers. So if you want to join us to trade live, remember you can do so from our website. I know main content, like I said, I know that is in Spanish, but if you go to our website, you're gonna find the first link is the book. If you want to have the book, you can have it. It's also the English version from it. And then you can have the tab of plans. In plans, I recommend you to start with the 1 week first. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you the link of plans. And if you see the first option, the basic option is the 1 week training with us. And so there you're gonna see finally how to understand price action. You know, people catch it right away, how to do price action. Some people take some time, but the 1 week plan is the right fit to start with, you know, so you know what I will deal with. Not everyone is done to trade on scalping on the opening market, so I understand it can be a little bit tough at first, but then, you know, you get used to it. So I don't see anyone complaining about not having results of price action, but yet I rather have people first to have education, you know, and so you know what to expect from the markets with the scalping and the opening hours. You know, opening hours are always what everyone wants to do, but not all of them are ready to do it. So, but if you study first, if you're prepared emotionally and with your strategy, then you're gonna do a good job. I'm pretty sure about that. So, okay guys, that's it. Tomorrow we have Spanish with our Instagram, so you can go here, but like I said, only Spanish. Bien, estimados, me despido. En 20 minutos empezamos la sala. Esto es solamente contenido en inglés. Mañana hacemos en español, pero por red social. Y acá les paso dónde vamos a estar. Quedó cortado el link, se los paso de nuevo. Okay, so I'm out. Thanks so much, and hopefully this information is going to help you out to get into price action. That's the link that we're going to be tomorrow, and Spanish speaking only. Les mando un abrazo a todos. Bye bye. Si estaba por